Yes, sir. What's going on, man? It's your boy, Majah Vernon, J.I.K., Mr. Money, man, a.k.a. I do real estate, a.k.a. I'm an entrepreneur. What's going on, everybody, man? It's your boy, man. It's Monday fun day, man. Another day, man, to rise, grind, give thanks to the Creator, get up, get out, and make something happen. So that's exactly what we're doing, man. We're trying to start the week off right. We're trying to get ourselves pumped up, motivated. So just a couple things, man. Um, how I like to get my day going. First and foremost, like I say, we get up, we get out, make something happen. But when we get up, you want to build off some repeatable habits, man. And the first thing I like to always do is I like to go to the old faithful, man. My planner. I like to visualize. I like to write down my goals, man. I like to write down the affirmation that I want to accomplish. Now, I'm human, I do make the same type of mistakes that everybody out here makes, man. So I'm not perfect, but I just understand the benefit of not just talking about it, but actually being able to see it, writing it with our hand. It kind of just stimulates a different passion within you know, the subconscious, man. It's just something about it, and honestly, man, and it's quite astonishing that when we do that, you actually go back and track it, and a lot of the things, if you're working your plan, you will see that they begin to manifest, man. It's plenty of time I've wrote things down, and along the journey, you wouldn't think that they happen, but they actually do. So, uh, starting by writing down the goals, man, that's definitely something that I do now. Uh, Trying to be a little bit more conscious about the whole getting up, getting motivated, and actually doing the workout part. That's probably another thing that a lot of people don't really implement, and not everybody do it, man. That's cool, So don't take uh, what I say. I'm just giving a few tips of what I think works for me, and and also for a lot of people around the world. Most people have a general routine that they do on a consistent basis. The consistency that builds habits typically leads to long-term success. So the small things that really matter. Uh, so first and foremost, get up. Uh, do my affirmation, do my writing, do my goal setting. Try to get in a light workout, man. It doesn't matter. Like not, I'm not just back in the gym. So anything, man. Look, if you jump down, do 50 to 100, 200. Try to get some push-ups in. Get you some crunches or something like that in, man. Some jumping jacks, something to just stimulate the body. That definitely helps. But if you somebody who gets up and go running, cool, man. Do that. You just want to get up and get things stimulated, get things going, get your body, uh, back in the mode of doing. So uh, not everybody follow that. So it's okay. I'm just saying these are you want to have that routine. Um, and the third thing that I would say, you got your goals, you got your workout, uh, and I will compile a list of 5 things that you definitely want to accomplish for the day. You know that and goal setting, it kind of goes hand in hand, but it's two different things. Anyone who understands goals understand you got long term, you got short term, but this particular 5 things is actual little bitty things, your quick hit targets, quick things that your day will not be complete unless you do these things. So different from a goal, but it definitely gets you going. It gives you something to look forward to. The targets, you want to hit 5 targets every day. Uh, and with those 3 things, man, I think you can definitely begin to build off of those repeatable habits. It definitely get you going, get you stimulated, get your mind flowing, and as you see it, come back to it a couple times throughout the day when you see your goals. And hopefully these things will help, man. So it's your boy Majah Vernon giving you the news, the blues, and the clues, man, to get your money right, get your body right, get yourself right, and ultimately change yourself, change your life for those around you and yourself. So it's your boy, man. See y'all at the next one.